all good. Okay, now it's done. Now time to do the sauce in the pizza. Now I'll good start first and play to wait for the pizza. Hello everyone, today we're gonna go to make pizza. How would I do? I even know how to do pizza. Let's go see how to do. In 3, 2, 1. Let's see it now. Wait a minute, almost there. Okay, now it's there. A good rolling the flour. This side. And roll again, man. Roll, all good. Come on, man. Roll. This is a roll. All good. Roll, yeah, roll. Then all good roll. Roll and roll. They say stop already. It's too big for me. Let's go see for all great. All great keep rolling, but all great not have power to roll like me, so it takes for a long time to roll, man. They say not yet enough. Quickly, all good. Okay, now it's done. Now time to do the sauce in the pizza. Now I'll good start first like this. Doing like this. Oh my. The camera. What happened to the camera? Okay, do it again. Roll and roll. Do it to be a circle. Okay. All good put the spinach, and all great put the hams and crab stick, and all good put hams. And all great put the cheese, and all good also put the cheese. I like a lot of cheese. All great put very slow. Now I take a picture. And all great. That is very cool picture. Making pizza is very fun. And we're going to put in the oven, and we come to play and play to wait for the pizza. Now the pizza is finished. The pizza is very nice and is also delicious. I very like it. That's so yummy. And for our weight and me, it's very good. That's very yummy. See you next time. Bye bye.